Hi, everybody. Have you ever had to go to the dentist to have your teeth cleaned? Well, in this book, Just Going to the Dentist by Mercer, Little Critter experiences going to the dentist. Let's read this together and see what happens. Mom took me to the dentist. She said I needed a checkup. I didn't need a checkup. My teeth were just fine, but we went anyway. I think his teeth probably did need to be checked, but he didn't want to go, huh? At the dentist office, we met the nurse. She gave us a great big smile. I think she was just showing off her teeth. The dentist wasn't ready to see me, so we sat in the waiting room. You see her big smile? He doesn't look impressed, does he? He's like, Other kids were there, too. One of the bigger kids had wires all over her teeth. Mom said they were braces. I thought they were neat. I hoped I would get braces. We had to wait a long time, but there were toys to play with and books to read. See the braces on her teeth? Yeah, there's all kinds of fun things to do when you wait at the dentist. When it was my turn, the nurse came to get me. I had to see the dentist all by myself, but I didn't mind too much. Yeah, he looks a little nervous, doesn't he? Yeah, it's okay. Sometimes when we do new things, we do feel a little nervous, but he's going to go and see what it's like because his mom says he needs to get those teeth checked. We went into a really weird room. It looked sort of like a spaceship. I sat in a funny chair. It was called a dentist chair, and the nurse, she put a bib on me. He kind of looks interested now, doesn't he? He's like, whoa, there's so many cool things in this room. There sure are. When you go to the dentist, you'll see that too. Then the nurse said she was going to clean my teeth. Oh, it tickled a lot. She told me to spit in the sink. What? No grown-up had ever asked me to spit before. That was cool. Yep. At the dentist's office, they do have little sinks or sometimes cups that you spit in. See the tools she's cleaning his teeth with? Pretty cool stuff. Next, she took pictures of my teeth. They were called X-rays, just like Super Critter's X-ray vision. Then the dentist came in. He looked inside my mouth with a little mirror on a stick. This is the X-ray machine. Yeah. Takes those pictures. And there's the little mirror on a stick where he's going to check his teeth. The pictures of my teeth were ready. So the dentist called in my mom, and we all looked at the pictures of my teeth. And there they are. They hang them up on this cool thing that has a light that shines through it, and you can see the pictures. In some dentist office, it goes on like a computer screen, too. Pretty cool to see what your teeth look like inside. The dentist said I had one cavity and that he could fix it right then. They put me back in the dentist chair, and the dentist told me he was going to give me something so I wouldn't feel anything. Little Critter looks a little nervous again, doesn't he? looks a little scary, but Novocaine does make it so your teeth don't hurt when they work on them. I closed my eyes real tight and I counted to 10. You can do it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And before I knew it, the dentist said it was all over. I hardly felt anything. Yuck! My mouth went numb. It was really weird. I couldn't feel my tongue. Yep, that's what Novocaine does. It makes it so you can't feel it, and it is a funny feeling. Then the dentist said he was going to drill a hole in my tooth and clean out my cavity. There was a lot of noise in my mouth, but it didn't hurt. It's saying buzz. See that little critter smiling because it's not hurting at all. Yeah. The dentist told him the truth. Doesn't hurt when they do that. When the dentist finished, he sent me out to my mom, and the nurse gave me a lollipop for free. Oh my, look how he feels now. He's super excited. He has clean teeth, his cavity's fixed, and he's getting a free lollipop too. And look at Mom. She looks pretty proud and happy too. How awesome. You know, going to the dentist wasn't so bad. It just made me tired. And he's falling asleep on the way home. Sometimes when we do new things, it does make us feel tired. It was a big day for little critter. Well, if you enjoyed this story, Just Going to the Dentist, please click like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more of the great read-alouds that we'll do together. Bye for now. I'll see you next time.